Namaskar. My name is Rajiv Pal. I am from Paramananda Vidya Mandir, Lamding, Assam. Our school has selected in the first phase of ATL, and in the month of September 2017, the ATL journey has started. So it was a big challenge for us that times because we are not aware about the function of ATL, tools of ATL, and how to purchase the equipments also. It was a big challenge for us because we are in the first phase that time. After that, how you run the ATL in schools during the school hour and after school also, because people, parents, students, guardian, community, they are not aware about the function of ATL. So it was a big challenge for us at that time. After this, what we have done, we have make a plan. And we have make a design. So what we have to be doing the next step by steps. We have make a plan. And one of the most important things we have kept in mind that yes, ATL is there in our school. ATL means auto tinkering lab. Means it's a platform to solve the problems. So I have stick in mind that whatever the problems will becomes in run the ATL, we have to be solved. Although it may be take 1 day, 2 days, or maybe more days, or 15 days, maybe 1 month, but we have to be solved it as the ATL is in our school. Because it's a platform to solve the problems. So when you will solve one problem, then another problem comes. So it was a daily issue to run the ATL. Not only to conduct the sessions, besides that, you have to maintain the ATL, you have to be maintain the attendance, you have to be maintain the dashboard, you have to be maintain the PFMS also. This PFMS is a big chapter. It's a big chapter for all ATL in church. So you have to be get knowledge about the PFMS. Until unless you will not aware about the knowledge of PFMS, you cannot run the ATL because all the expenditure related every activity you have to be updated into the PFMS. So during last 2.5 years, whatever the experience I have got, whatever the challenges I have faced to run the ATL, if I share to our fellow teachers, it may be help to them. Because the problem is different. Problem may be different in different schools because the environment is different. But whatever the problems I have faced, if I discuss with them, they maybe get some energy to solve the problems. Because to solve the problems, positive attitude is very, very important, thinking capability and the creative idea. If any ATL in church, if they have 3 things, then they can solve it easily. It may be take time, but it will solve. So that's why if I share that things to other fellow teachers, they maybe get some help and they can solve their problem easily and they can run the ATL smoothly and students can take that benefit. Okay, thank you, sir. Namaskar.